How do you get your pins to rank number one on Pinterest's Smartfeed? Stick around to learn how you can leverage Pinterest's own SEO or search engine optimization, along with proper keyword research and visual components to help your pins rank number one in the Pinterest Smartfeed. Here's the deal. Pinterest isn't like other social networks like Facebook and Twitter. Instead, it's built on a coding language called Python, which you could learn more about by reading Pinterest's engineering blog, but I'll tell you right now, it's super technical. Instead, I'm going to show you exactly what to do to get your pins to rank in 3 easy steps. Step number 1 is proper research. Most people think that this is how you research a keyword or a long-tail keyword phrase. They type a topic into the Pinterest search bar, and Pinterest suggests other topics that are already being searched for on their platform. This is a great start, but what you really want to do is go into the Ads Manager so you can see the search volume. Volume is the really important part. Now, if you don't have a Pinterest business account and you just have a personal account, you are not going to be able to see this screen. So go get yourself a Pinterest business account. So to find out the search volume, you're going to go to Pinterest Ads Manager and start creating an ad. It doesn't matter what you call the ad or what you set the budget to, because we're just going to take a look at this screen for research purposes. We're not actually going to run the ad yet. So I'm going to scroll down and go to the keyword section. In this section, you can see as I type my topic that Pinterest will provide the search volume associated with certain keywords. So use this to help you determine if your topic is going to be one that you want to try to rank for. Now that you have your keywords, you can use those to write your blog post. Step 2, make sure that you're adding your keywords in several places. The first thing is to always make sure your blog post is optimized with the same keywords in the title and meta descriptions, because when you have a Pinterest business account, your website is connected to Pinterest, and the algorithm recognizes when everything matches up. When your blog post and your pin match keywords and key phrases, and even images, Pinterest considers it high-quality content. Step 3, Pinterest is the world's largest visual search engine. So if your graphic design isn't that good, your content just won't do well. You need to make sure your pins are properly sized in a 2:3 aspect ratio and that your design is beautiful. If your pin design isn't beautiful, then guess what? It doesn't matter how many keywords you have that match up. Nobody's going to click on it and it just won't rank. Here's a pro tip. Do not use free stock artwork because the Pinterest algorithm recognizes photos. So it's likely that any free stock has already been categorized, and if it happens to not be in your intended category, you just won't get results. Watch as I scroll through the use of this stock photo, and you can see all the other pinners who are using the same photo on Pinterest. By the way, if you hate it when YouTube videos take way too long to get to the point, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this channel, because here you will find all things Pinterest marketing strategy. One last example to show you how this all comes together. When you type a search phrase into the Pinterest search bar and your pin has all 3 components, properly researched topic, matching metadata from your website, and a beautiful pin, you can see that 7 of my pins rank in the top of this feed. The reason you see several of the same pin is because when people pin directly from your website, it creates a brand new pin URL. To learn more about how to split test your pins using Google Analytics, watch this video. Pinterest is the best kept secret in online marketing. If you want to learn even more about how to leverage the power of Pinterest to help you grow your small business and increase revenues, make sure you click on the link in the comments below to download my free Getting Started with Pinterest checklist. Thanks for watching. See you next time.